Hey everybody, this is Charlie, the Pennsylvania grain farmer, coming to you from uh, cold, rather frigid and wintry western Pennsylvania. Today is Thursday, December the 12th. And what I'm doing right now is I'm recording an intro for some videos that I should have put up actually about 2 months ago. I had some people contact me because they hadn't seen any harvest video and they wanted to know if I was okay or if I had quit doing YouTube. And I am fine. And no, I haven't quit YouTube. I still watch all the same uh, uh, YouTube content creators that I always have, and I comment, and I just haven't uploaded as many videos. I actually have a few that I've recorded, but just haven't gotten them uploaded. One of the reasons is because, um, not because I'm quitting YouTube or anything like that. It's just that sometimes uploading the videos for me can be a real pain in the ass. And what the problem is with uh, my internet connection. Um, where I live, there's no cable TV, and we were told we will never have cable TV because the cable companies don't want to cross the river to get to us. I have to have satellite TV to have any kind of reception at all. So my internet comes through the phone line into the house, and the phone company has told me that at the time, years ago, when I first subscribed to that internet service through them, through Verizon, that back at the time they were really pushing for everybody where I am to try to, get their internet access through them. But the problem was that I'm far enough away from the substation that the signal has a hard time getting here. And if I were now approaching Verizon to ask to be to subscribe to their high-speed internet, they would tell me that I'm too far away. But at the time I was subscribing, they were pushing to sell it, so they sold it to me, and the connection is sometimes not very good. Sometimes I'll lose a connection and I'll have to reset the router, and other times it's just slow. I kind of liken it to uploading or downloading data to kind of like trying to drain our a pond through a straw. There's only so much capacity. It can only go so fast. A lot of my videos have been, in the neighborhood of 15 to 18 minutes. And for me to upload one of them, generally it will take between 24 and 30 hours of continuous connection to get, that kind of video uploaded, which is a pain in the ass because what it does, it uploads slowly and it's using all my bandwidth. So at that point, I can't do anything else online unless I can, do it via my cell phone without the home internet connection. So that's one of the reasons why I've kind of procrastinated, but I have to, I guess it's what it is, and I have to get over it. And just as the Nike commercials used to say, just do it. So that's why I'm doing this intro. Back in October, at the beginning of the month, whenever I was harvesting corn, I did a couple videos, which I'm going to put together as one. I got video of me harvesting the corn, with my John Deere 4400. I got video of unloading it into the I was using Corey's wagon at the time, and also have some video of combining basically at dusk when I had to have my lights on, and also making the very last pass on the last field. So I'm going to put that all together into one video. One of the things I would say to do while you're watching is watch for my hands on the steering wheel. My corn, for some reason this year, must have had some kind of a fungus or a mold or something on the stalks, because I noticed on the very first day when I was taking it off, there was all kinds of dust coming out of the head. It almost looked like I was doing soybeans. The ears and the kernels weren't moldy or anything, but it had to have been on the stalk. And it basically made the combine a brownish black color, and it also got all over my skin and my face. And at some point in the video, I'll include a picture because I took a selfie of what my face looked like at the end of the first day of harvest. And, it was really covered. So that's one of the things that you'll see. So with no further ado, let's go to the harvest footage. using Corey's wagons here at my place. We did the same thing last year, just because with him doing it with these wagons and his tractor, it's even a little bit quicker than with my truck from here. Now, when we do his, I did haul some of my corn with the truck whenever he was busy, but when we get on to his, his corn and beans, then we'll be using my truck over there because some of it's got to go a distance. But when, he's less than 2 miles away, his wagons will haul a little more than my truck will each load, and this makes a little more sense. Now, when I do my beans, I'll be using my trucks, exclusively because they got to go 7 miles away to the mill. Sorry about the window, but the dust this year has been terrible. There has to be some kind of like a mold or a fungus that corn in the area has, because I've never seen it so dusty, and by the end of the day I'm just black with it all over my face, and I've been wearing a mask so I don't breathe as much of it in. But my seed dealer and one of the other neighbors around here told me the same thing about their corn, so I'm not sure what it is. Okay, I'm on the last field, and one of the last couple times around, and it's, probably about 6:30. I know the camera makes it look more light than it is, but I have my LED lights on, which I installed a couple years ago on the advice of my late friend, soybean farmer. And this is one of those times when it comes in pretty handy. I got one back here in the bin too, so that I can tell when the bin's full.